Welcome back to our home remodel. We have been working so hard on this bedroom. This is our daughter's bedroom, and today is the day for the big reveal. So it's all done, and we're ready to show you guys. We started out with a dark, not too dark, but it was brown.
Yeah, old paneling, like the cheap kind.
Dated, 45-year-old bedroom. So we've been working so hard on this bedroom. We gutted it. We rebuilt all the framing, all the walls, put in insulation, drywalled, new fixtures, the works. You guys have been waiting for this, and we're excited to show you, so here it is. So we're going to show you before we show Belle, our daughter. This is her bedroom, and she has not seen anything yet because we wanted everything to be a surprise, and we've been working so hard to make this the perfect space. First, you come in, and we have her desk area. We wanted a place for her to do artwork and homeschool. We picked up, she had her desk. We got her a new chair, which is really cool. Looks like a little bony fish. We picked up this really cool cubby unit. And this is actually meant to be like a coat hanger, but it was perfect. It holds all of her papers and books perfectly. Really heavy duty, and I was happy we found that. And it really is the style of this room. It works so well in here. I also made this little shelf to hold all of her pens, pencils, markers, supplies like that. And we just have them in little food cans, and that really works. And you're gonna see it actually fits in with the style of her room. For example, this galvanized shelf. This is a shelf that we made a couple videos ago. If you haven't seen it, go back and check out that video. We just threw some toys on there to give her the idea, and her painted dragon egg that she made.
So now, stepping over this way, we have the bed, obviously, and the rug. And this is another rag rug that we picked up because we liked ours so much that we thought, why not do the same type in here? But hers is a little different because it has the color going around the edge. So we thought that was better for her. And this quilt was actually handmade by the same person who made the mule quilt in our room. And this is the art wall that we made a couple videos ago to hang art or anything, like a pine cone.
Maverick gave me this pine cone very specially, so I hung it there.
Yep. And then this is the special geometric wooden art that we made because Belle said that she wanted a peacock on the wall, so that's what we came up with. I think that is like epic. So far we got the work area, we got the cozy sleep area, and over here we have the nook, the reading nook. This is kind of like the cozy spot to sit. We picked up this really cool contemporary modern lounge chair,
really cozy, high back. She can lay back, put her head back, and just read a book or practice her music. You can see we installed lights and this really cool arbor. We also made a video about this arbor. Go check it out, guys. If you haven't seen it, we've been showing you guys all these details. This was a really fun build, and it really added a lot to this room. Can you imagine without that, how empty and boring that corner would feel? It just adds a lot of cool dimension. And I got my string lights on there. Look how cool that looks. And you guys, you might be looking at this, if you haven't been following our channel, and saying, that's kind of weird. This was also a special request that Belle made, was that she liked the curtains that were in this room. This was one of the original curtains off the window. I was trying to find a way to work it back into the room because she loved them so much. So we took one panel, turned it sideways, and hung it off the arbor by clips. I think it's awesome, and
it's cool. It makes it like cozy feeling in there.
I love this corner.
We also have this light.
If she needs more light to read or see what she's doing in the closet, we decided to hang this light, and it's
cute.
Really clean. We wanted something light, not to distract from the arbor. We liked how it's all white, except for that ring of wood on it. And now also in this nook is the closet, and we're doing an exposed closet. It's kind of like a modern feel that we really like. Get rid of the doors and just keep it simple. We picked up some totes for her small clothes, and those work really well. Now the only thing that isn't finished in this room that you guys might notice is the window. It's a little sloppy. There's no trim on it. We always have to say this because we want to remind you, the windows need to be replaced. They're really lousy. They're really old. We didn't put trim up around the window because we're going to replace the window. So we're going to wait until that's done to do that.
That'll be later when we redo the exterior siding and stuff.
Right. But everything else is 100% complete and it looks awesome.
Yeah.
So now that you've seen the whole room, tell us what you think in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you like it or no? And now we're gonna go get Belle and reveal the room to her. This is exciting.
This is so cool! I love this! Whoa. All my pictures are hanging there.
Do you like that thing?
Yeah.
Isn't that so cool?
And you made my peacock.
Yep. Do you like that?
Yeah. I love my bed too.
Do you notice anything different about it?
New quilt, new pillow cover.
Yeah.
There's so much to take in, right?
Yeah. Well, I like this rug.
Yeah. It's kind of like ours, but has this on the outside.
I really like this shelf.
You do?
Yep.
You're gonna have fun putting stuff on there, right?
Yeah.
Why do you like that?
It's so rare. You never use big pans or something like this. I like this shelf too, and all my Garfield books.
Yep.
I liked how you hung my ocarina.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
We got you a new chair.
And then here's your closet in there. Just like ours, open with the metal.
Whoa.
This is all of your space.
This whole room.
All this is mine.
And then, remember you wanted the curtains in your room?
Yeah.
We put one here. Do you like that there?
Yeah.
So there's the room and there's the reveal. Belle, did you love it?
Yes.
She said it was even more special than our room. So I think she's right. Do you have any favorites? Any things that stand out to you the most?
I don't know what's my favorite. They're all everything's my favorite.
Yeah? Do you like this peacock over your head right here?
Yeah.
Looks like you have feathers on your head. I thought it was funny that out of the whole room, she really focused on that metal shelf that I made, and she really seemed to love that, and that's cool. Yeah, we're happy. The room came out good. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the reveal and following this whole journey with us. We have Maverick's room to do next, and then the rest of the house. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and follow the journey that we're on, because this is exciting and
Yeah.
it's fun, and we enjoy sharing it with you guys and showing the transformations. So that's all we have for now. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, take care.
Bye.